Folks, welcome back to the channel. We've got some projects going on right now. I really want to try and get them documented and put on YouTube, but they're kind of projects that are going to take some time. One of them that we started yesterday is the wife would like to drain the pond, sell all the fish that's in it, and then let it dry up a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and put a deck on the end closest to the house with a Thai style roof on it. She's real big into aerobics and yoga, and she does teach classes, and that would give her an access to be able to teach classes right here at the house. Well, yesterday morning we went into town and started looking for a seine net to be able to seine the fish out of here. To do that, I need to drop the level. It's 7 foot deep, and it's got a stair step ledge around it. So I wanted to drop the level down to 3.5 feet, somewhere around there, and then seine it. And we could not find a seine to save our soul. Finally, this one vendor had a seine, but he'd ordered it in for somebody, and he said he could get us one tomorrow, which would be today. So the wife's back in town, gonna try and pick up our seine. But I went ahead and got a throw net like the type that I had back in the US. Only this one's it's an 8-footer, and the one I had back in the US was 4 foot. I could throw the one I had back in the US. I for some reason cannot throw this 8-foot net. But we had one of our workers come up over after he got off work yesterday, and him and I were talking, and I said, I needed somebody to throw the net, and he couldn't throw it, but he knew somebody that could. So he called him up, and he showed up, and we went over and caught 23 kilo of tilapia. And we had a vendor that wanted them last night, wants another mess tonight of about the same or more. They'd like to get 40 kilo per run, but so I'm pumping water out. We threw the throw net last night, the casting net, caught some fish, sold them, and we're going to sell all the fish that's in the pond. Those that are unsellable, we have workers that I know would love to have them. So everything's going to go out of the pond. We're going to dry it up a little bit, and then fill it back up with clean water. And she doesn't want any fish put in here, so whatever comes in when I pump it in is what's going to be in here. And I got a hunch there'll be a bunch of gourmets and maybe some needlefish and stuff like that, small fish, so they'll take care of the mosquitoes. But anyhow, that's what we've got going. This is the guy that doesn't like to be put on camera. These are our fishermen for the day. Actually, they're the guys building the wall. You guys are doing great. This is going to be interesting to see how they get around the... goes. Right across here. The line. Guys? Guys? Yeah, electrical. Yeah. Yeah, you need to go that way. There's... Oh, I don't know how many fish they caught, but they're losing the piss out of him right now. Come on! Come on! you get over here by the shore. I think he lost the piece of rope. It's way back there. There you go. I think this side over here, they don't swim so well. This side over here stayed up close to the shore. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That was a jungle perch. Yeah. That's jungle perch, yeah. Chai. Yeah. Give me the top. You got the bottom. Yeah. Yeah. Bring the bottom. Oh. I got that on. Hit him right in the face. Oh. This is what they got. They didn't catch very many of them. There's still lots of them in there. We gotta get the water down lower. Yeah. Those are big ones, honey. You notice? All of what they got is pretty big ones. Everybody's wearing Speedos. That is the pump my neighbor back behind us brought over to help us out. And this is the kind of flow we're getting with it. Yeah, about 3 times what I got with my little pump. So we'll get it pumped out. So we've so far seined out, throw net and casting net and seined over 100 kilo of tilapia, and we're still not low enough on the water level to get them to funnel totally into the seine. So we've still got we got some water to pump out is what it amounts to. So probably another 2-3 days of pumping and seining before we get it all taken care of. But it's really been some of it's been pretty funny, but it's amazing what goes on here. Here's our fisherman coming back in. Oh, look at that. God. Yeah. Look at that. God, he did. Caught one by hand too. Yeah, have him hold up. You got to see this. That's all the workers over there next door. Yeah. They're watching our fishermen fish.